Hey guys, welcome to our channel today, and I'm Megan, and I'm going to show you how to make a coconut cake like my grandma Louetta. Please keep watching. These are the things you will need: 3 bags of coconut, sour cream, whipped topping, yellow cake mix, sugar, and for the cake you need water, eggs, and oil. After you make your cake like the box says, you want to make the icing. And this is what you need, is to make your whole container of the whipped topping into the bowl. Now you want to put the whole container of the sour cream into the bowl. Now you want to put 1 cup of sugar into the bowl. You want to make sure you mix it till the clumps of sugar are gone, and then you want to put your coconut in. Now you will put 2 coconut bags into the icing and keep 1 for the topping. After you get your cake out, you want to cut it in half. Mine kind of fell apart during the whole thing, so this is how it looks, but it don't have to be perfect. You want to put half of the icing on the top of this layer, and then you'll want to put the top of the cake on it and put the other half. Now I put the top of the cake on. It kind of fell apart to like the bottom, but it's going to be hidden with the icing. So just put all of it on top, and then I'll put the coconut, the rest of the other bag on it. Now you just need to sprinkle the coconut on all the top, and then you are finished. Thank y'all so much for watching our video today. Please like and subscribe, and our verse of the week is, I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me.